guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching today's Wishable unbagging. We're gonna change it up a little bit, probably as you can see in the title below. We are unbagging the Wishable pin set. So they actually had a Wishable pin set last year. I didn't purchase any of those, but this year's pin set are adorable. And I only originally purchased one bag, and then I got the bag and saw all the ones you could get. And so then of course, I had to purchase 3 more. So we have 20 total pins, since there's 5 random pins in each bag, and there's 16 in the collection. Do the math. Hopefully we will get them all, but who knows. Hopefully people still have some to trade out there. These were released a couple months ago, but I have finally gotten all 4 bags. Yeah, anyways, let's take a look and see which ones we could get. Ones that we could get, it's kind of hard to see, so we'll just look at them as we go. Okay, let's start opening up our first bag. Get some scissors. They're so cute, and their designs are like they're little Wishables. They're not in blind bags. Normally pins are in blind bags, but these ones are not. So I haven't looked. We're just gonna go ahead and pull the first one. And it's Peter. So here is Peter. Again, he's like kind of squishy and little, like a Wishable would be. He's cute. Alright, so our first one is Peter Pan. That's a good pull. I think the ones I would want the most is definitely Boo and Mike Wazowski. They have Runaway Goofy and Chubby from Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and you guys know how much I love that ride. And they have Country Bears. Woody and Jessie from Toy Story Mania. Again, we love that ride. And then all the other ones are cute. The astronaut Minnie and Mickey are cute for Space Mountain, but definitely Woody and Jessie and Boo and Mike Wazowski and Peter Pan. And then Peter's like partner is the teacups for like Fantasyland. They probably could have gotten a better one than that, but that's okay. All right, let's pull our second pin. What is it? It is a Country Bear. Here's the Country Bear. I don't know any of their names, so I'm not sure who this is. If you know who this is, drop his name down in the comment below. But here is the Country Bear. Cute. Number 3. Oh my gosh, it is Spaceship Minnie, or yeah, we can call him. It's from Space Mountain. Astronaut. There we go. It's at Minnie. And she is cute. Look at her in her purple. Okay, I really like her. Alright, that's 3. No doubles so far. I feel like they won't put doubles, especially like bags like this. With the blind bags, it's hard. You can get doubles in the same box, but since they're not in blind bags, they're just in like this random bag. Hopefully they won't give us any doubles in the same bag. I'm gonna jinx myself. Oh no, so we have the teacup. So this is Peter Pan's partner in the collection. Here's the little teacup. Little winky guy. It's pretty cute. Our pin for our first bag. Who do you think it could be? Who is it? Oh, it's Woody. Oh my gosh, these are just so cute. Oh, him. He's just so happy. So cute. Got his little target for Toy Story Mania. Oh, I am obsessed with these. And it has Andy on his boot. I just love these so much. We just got done with our first bag, and these are all the ones that we have so far. Awesome. All right, number 2. Did you just hear my dog sneeze? She just came in here. Alrighty, let's go for this one. Oh, Cogsworth! This is a good one. Oh my gosh. Sweet, and that's good because sometimes we'll do like everybody in the same bag is the same. Here's Cogsworth. He's from Beauty and the Beast. His partner in the collection is Lumiere, so maybe you can get Lumiere in this bag. Let's do the next one. Oh, it's Jessie! Yes! Oh my gosh. There's Jessie. Andy on her boot and her target for Toy Story Mania. Oh my goodness. I love how they're weaking. They just look so happy. Oh, so much. I just love these. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next one. We're just whipping through these. We got a lot to get through. Okay. Okay, so I think this is an astronaut, but I'm not sure if it's Minnie or Mickey. Yes, it's a Mickey. It's cute. Minnie's definitely cuter, but he is definitely cute. He is like his serious face. We're doing so well. So well. So we just need, we still need a lot. We still need a lot, but we're doing really well. We're doing really well. Okay, ready? Who's it gonna be? It's Chube. My Chube. A Wishable series. And Chubby is such a cutie. Oh my gosh. Yes! Love, love, love. Okay, we have one more pin for this bag. I'm trying to take the bag off without looking at it. Okay, ready? It's the other country bear! Oh my gosh, we are killing it! Yes! I don't know the country bear's names off the top of my head. So if you know who this guy is, leave his name down below in the comments. While you're there, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. 2 bags down, 2 to go. We have the set for Jessie and Woody, Astronaut, Minnie and Mickey, Country Bears, Peter and the Teacup, and then we have Cogsworth and Chubby. They are so cute. Oh my goodness. I know I keep saying that. I know I keep saying the same thing like over and over. They're just so freaking cute. Little stinkers. Okay. We have 2 bags left. We're doing great. So we just need, let's go over them. So we still need Miguel and Dante from Coco. I'm pretty sure that's his name. Mike and Boo, Engineer Goofy, and Cogsworth. Not Cogsworth, Lumiere. We have Cogsworth. We need Lumiere. So we need 4, 5, 6 more, and we have 10 pins left. Look at those odds, right? Those are pretty good odds. Okay. Ready? It's Boo! She's like my top favorite character in Monsters Inc. is Boo. Let me know in the comments down below who your favorite Monsters Inc. character is. Obviously, Mike and Sully are the main characters, but Boo is the real MVP. She made every kid's life in Monstropolis better because laugh energy is better than scream energy. Spoiler if you haven't ever seen the movie. Here's Boo, Monstropolis's MVP. She is cute. So freaking cute. Alright, now we need Mike. I need Mike Wazowski. I don't know. Alright, ready? I know. I saw the bag. I know who it is. It's Lumiere. Ah, yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm not gonna get too confident. Not gonna get too confident. Lumiere, he kind of looks like he has marshmallows on his hands for his candles. I love Lumiere. Such a cutie. Are killing it, you guys. Straight killing it. My ears are getting cut off. We still need Engineer Goof, both Cocos, and Mike Wazowski. Okay. We have 8 pens left. Think we can do it? Okay. Here we go. Mike Wazowski! OMG. These pins are so nice too. Like the color is so vibrant. Love. Mike. Such, oh my gosh. They're just all so cute. I know I keep saying the same thing over and over, but they're adorable. I love them so much. I'll say too, like, these bags were not cheap. They were like $28 per bag. This is worth it though. Like, these pins are nice pins. And I love Wishables. It was a match made in heaven. Okay, ready? Let's get the next one. Oh, it's Dante. I cannot believe this. I literally cannot freaking believe this. Dante. If you haven't seen Coco, go watch it right after you're done with this video. It is such a great movie. Cute. I know I keep saying cute, I'm sorry. No, sorry, not sorry. They're just perfect. Okay, of our third bag, we need 2 more, and we have 6 pins left. Okay. It's Miguel. We did it. We have 1 more pin left. Is amazing. We have so far, we just need Engineer Goofy to complete our set. I am in love with all of these. All right, let's jump into our last bag. Okay, ready? We did it. We freaking did it, you guys. It's Engineer Goofy. Yes. Here is Engineer Goofy. Oh my gosh. Ugh. We still have 4 pins left and we completed the set. Shop Disney, you know what? You did me dirty with the Enchanted Tiki Room Wishables, but you 100% made it up for the Wishable pins, and that's what keeps us coming back. I am so thrilled that I got all these pins. Let's see, I just dumped the bag out. Let's see what our duplicates are, because we have 4 more pins. So we have another Jessie, we have Chubby, and then we have Dante and Miguel. Oh my gosh, I love them so incredibly much. I'm very happy that I invested and got 4 bags. I got all of the pins. Like, I cannot believe it. I actually completed the set. Is this unbagging better than my cruise line one? Cruise line was pretty good because we got all of them, spoiler alert. But 16 pins, you guys. 16 pins, and we got all of them. Was I fairly confident? Yeah, but you never know. You just never know. It's the risk that you give. These are all of them. Which one's your favorite? I don't know if I can pick a favorite. I love Peter, and obviously Chubby and Engineer Goof, because that's like one of my favorite rides, if not my favorite. Minnie is adorable. Dante. Lumiere. I'm just so happy. I got them all. We got them all. I'm mind blown. And I like Woody and Jess, Boo and Mike, Country bears are even cute. I haven't been there in a hot minute. Literally in love. Let me know, again, down in the comments, which one is your favorite. Thank you. What an unboxing. What a great video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please, please, please hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up to let me know that you guys like these types of videos. I enjoy making them, but all of this is for you. I just want to be able to bring a little bit of magic into your life every single day. That's what I love to do. And if you guys don't follow me over at Instagram, make sure you follow me at Instagram at Nikki Overcamp. I share just everyday stuff, Peloton rides, and home decor, all of the things. And obviously when we are in the parks, I share all of my fun adventures in Disney over there as well. So I just really appreciate all of your support on my channel. Like, really, it means a ton to me. So make sure you guys comment down below and let me know which one you like best. Do you like Wishables? Do you collect Wishables? There has to be more of you like me out there. But make sure you guys, again, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you real soon. Bye.